How to install your brush in Photoshop. Open your desired browser and search for the brush you would like to add. You can search by the type of brush, or go to a brush site and browse through for any that catch your eye. Download the brush and go to your File Explorer. If file is in a zip file, then extract it. Then go back to Photoshop. Click on the brush tool and open the brush panel. Open the brush options and select Load Brush. Then locate it in your File Explorer and install.